Kashmir separatist leader Shabir Shah, who arrived in Delhi a short while ago, has been detained on arrival by Delhi police. Now, he had arrived in Delhi this morning on the invitation of the Pakistan High Commission for a reception on Sunday. Now, let's not forget that the question of the Pakistani government officials and diplomats meeting Kashmir separatist leaders on the sidelines of the NSA level talks has been a huge thorn in Delhi's side. In fact, a situation that could very well lead to the cancellation of these talks. There's been lots of reactions. Farooq Abdullah, in fact, said that the Hurriyat leaders should understand the sensitivity and the need for India and Pakistan to conduct a dialogue and stay away themselves. Well, Shabir Shah has not decided to heed that advice, come to Delhi. Now, Delhi has appeared heavy-handed and detained Shabir Shah at the airport on arrival. What will this mean? Will Sartaj Aziz come to Delhi or not?
The government of India has taken a decision that they are not going to allow Hurriyat to meet them. This is a process that has been started, and it has culminated in arrest of him, and as the others will travel, they will also be arrested.
But how do you see this development? Do you think that this is a good decision taken by Government of India? They have sent a
Who am I
message.
to question the decision of Government of India? Government of India must have thought in the best interest of the country and the nation. They have taken this decision.
But you think that this way they have scuttled Pakistan's program of making them relevant Hurriyat leaders by holding dialogue
As
with
far
them?
as Farooq Abdullah is concerned, they were never relevant. It is whoever made them relevant, you should find out from them. I never made them relevant.
Well, my colleague Bhairavi Singh now joins me from the airport in Delhi, and Nazir Masoodi in Srinagar. Bhairavi, over to you first. Tell us exactly what happened at the airport.
Right, Maya. Well, it was quite a day here in the morning. I was speaking to my top sources within the police who said, look, everything is up in the air at the moment. This is a Government of India decision. He could very well be detained, sent back, detained, held back at the airport, or allowed to get out, and then a decision could be taken. But at the end of the day, of course, we've seen that he has been detained inside the airport premises itself, and we've heard the Home Minister there speaking to ANI, saying now it's up to Pakistan to decide whether the NSA level talks will go on or not. Really, the talks there hanging fire as it is. But what's also interesting, Maya, is that Shabir Shah, of course, little known as the hardline separatist leader in Jammu and Kashmir, is not in the same league as Yasin Malik, as Mr. Gilani and others. But he has, of course, come into the spotlight with this detention. He spoke to some of us from inside the airport, saying, I have been held by the police here, and police sources extremely tight-lipped about this entire thing, even now, saying at the moment we will not give you the details of what really happens next. But of course, being detained and in the spotlight, and the question really now about, and look at the timing, Maya, of this, just ahead of that press conference from Pakistan of Sartaj Aziz. So very interesting how the Government of India has put the ball back in Pakistan's court. Also interesting, of course, as you were pointing out, that the heavy-handedness of the Government of India is now in question, because really the buck has been passed over from the PDP government in Jammu and Kashmir to the Delhi, to the government here, because the PDP refused to detain these separatist leaders, and now, of course, the decision entirely with the Government of India, even as Farooq Abdullah was pointing out over there, Maya.
Right, Bhairavi, stay with us. Nazir Masoodi joining us from Srinagar. Nazir, this was anticipated perhaps by the people in Kashmir. The PDP had very clearly said that whatever has to happen will happen in Delhi. The governments in the state are not going to be seen as holding back any conversation, any dialogue between any interested parties to the Kashmir dispute.
Well, Maya, we were reporting this since morning that Shabir Shah will be detained. Once he will come out of the airport, come out of the aircraft, he will be detained. But the state government here had decided they will not detain anybody to prevent them from meeting, visiting Pakistani and National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz. Whether that meeting will happen or not, that's another question. But the fact is, state government decided to allow all these people, that opposition national conference, blaming, the coalition government that they are trying to address their respective constituencies, PDP here in the Kashmir Valley, not to detain them, and BJP government in Delhi and the rest of the country, look, will not allow such meeting it happen between the Kashmiri separatist leaders and Pakistani NSA. But our sources tell us Shabir Shah actually decided to prepone his, visit. He was supposed to go to Delhi tomorrow, but he preponed. Why did he prepone? There are some people who are saying it was just to give Pakistan an excuse to call up the talks, and he actually went to Delhi, and where he was detained as expected, which we report since this morning, and we have to wait for what Pakistani National Security Advisor Sartaj Aziz has to say in his press conference. But this issue or controversy over Hurriyat conference, whether Pakistan should talk to Hurriyat or not talk to Hurriyat. The fact is that at the end of the day, we all are talking only about Hurriyat, not about India-Pakistan talks, and it has brought the Hurriyat leaders and the separatists like Shabir Shah to center stage. The spotlight is known, whole media coverage is on these separatist leaders who were pushed to margins, particularly after last year's assembly elections, which was overwhelmingly participated by the people despite the boycott by the separatist groups. So clearly it is a separatist win-win situation for them, whether they would be detained, whether they meet Pakistani NSA Sartaj Aziz or not. The fact is they are back in the limelight. This has brought them back to limelight and center stage here in Kashmir politics.